first started with the Empulse RR, we had this vision that we wanted to create the world's fastest production electric motorcycle. We had just come off running Isle of Man TT with our first electric race motorcycle, and we were looking for a more powerful motor option to compete in the TTX GP in North America. So we started collaborating with Parker on developing the motor that is currently the GVM.
So that was how we got started between Parker and Brammo, was some real great brainstorming and collaborative problem solving on how to make a racing motor for electric motorcycle racing.
And ended up not only winning the North American Championship in 2011 and 2012, but we were able to move the technology on in each of those years and get the bikes going faster and faster.
Our race bike last year at Laguna probably made about 75 to 80 horsepower, and now we're sitting here at Daytona and it makes 155 horsepower with about 3 times as much torque as it had before, and that's in a year and a couple months, so to see that kind of improvement is pretty wild.
We believe that by having the engineering team involved in the race effort and the development of race technology, that we can bring advancements and new approaches to our commercial products.
The Empulse RR needed a motor that was very power dense because we had a very small space on these motorcycles to fit the powertrain into.
The flexibility of variable stack lengths and variable winding configurations allow us to design hardware to fit the magnetics that can be used in a vast product base.
Once we started integrating the GVM magnetics, we worked closely to make sure that we had the proper cooling system.
The water cooling system allows us to run the motor extremely hard in comparison to what's typically offered commercially for EV motors. From an efficiency standpoint and from a cooling standpoint, the Parker Hannifin system allows higher continuous power than what would otherwise be achieved by other motor designs.
First lap around the track on the electric bike, I was like, damn, this thing is fast.
I don't know what Brammo and Parker did to get this bike running like it did, but props to them because this machine is awesome.